Quartzcrafts operates a large processing facility located in the industrial hub of Fusha, Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province, along the Pearl River. Spanning 20,000 square meters, the factory boasts a monthly processing capacity exceeding 20,000 meters. As a private enterprise, it integrates processing, installation, and sales, with a strong emphasis on quality, craftsmanship, and customer service. The factory is equipped with a variety of advanced machines, including bridge cutters, drilling machines, water-stopping machines, and 45-degree beveling machines. The company's core services include processing and installation for a range of engineering projects, countertop solutions for cabinet manufacturers, and custom countertops for home decor. It also offers professional installation teams and reliable after-sales support. Quartzcrafts is committed to its mission of people-oriented, customer-first, heartfelt service, excellence in every detail, while upholding its corporate responsibility of taking ownership and being accountable.
For more information, please visit quartzcrafts.com.